All right, my people, welcome back again onto this channel. Well, my people, majority of things are actually happening right now in the country, Nigeria. And then, as it stands, as you've heard a lot of things for yourselves, majority of this set of people, Nigerians, are suffering. In fact, they are now of the opinion that they are not going to vote anything, that this is not the right time for us to even vote. We are not voting for anybody because this set of people are deliberately punishing us. This set of politicians are deliberately making us to feel bad, and then as it stands right now, the people have actually finally they've made up their minds that as far as this election is concerned, they are not going to vote again. Well, meanwhile, Yoruba nation no going back, exactly what the people are talking about. Well, I think right now we just have to say that the Yoruba nation movement is now vindicated. Yes, no, before now, the Yoruba Nation agitators have been of the opinion that, oh, let us go our separate ways. Don't let this set of people continue to deceive you, because as it stands, they will tell you one Nigeria, and then the way we are seeing things, there is nothing like one Nigeria. And then right now, we all have to wake up. We all have to know what we are doing. Now, the Northerners are in the building telling us about the fact that it's going to be the Islamization of the country. That's why you can see the Muslim ticket. This one that is happening, my brother, my sister, we pray it will not get worse than this, because the level to which they are taking it. Somebody was of the opinion telling me that Pilado word. Do you know that this is a strategy for these people to distract people, so that people will not vote, and so that they will be able to continue with this regime of suffering? Yes, when there is no vote, then they will not like automatically let the president continue. And right now, the people are of the opinion that it will not even work. So it's better we all go our separate ways. I think this time around, the Yoruba Nation movement is now being vindicated, and you are out there, you are still doubting, you are still supporting one Nigeria. My brother, my sister, I used to say this, you are still, meaning you are sitting on a long thing. Right now, the people have woken up. A lot of people are very close to tears, watching and listening to people talking about how they are suffering in the country. Yes, who do we blame? Yes, I think we need to blame ourselves, simply because we are still doubting if we can still stay on our own. We are still doubting if we should go our separate ways or not. Yes, we know that the strong Yoruba Nation agitators have actually made up their minds that no, this set of people, where they are taking us to, it can never be a good place. So we just have to go our separate ways. This time around, I'll say kudos to Chief Sunday Igboho Osha. He had actually done a very great job, and right now he's suffering because he is fighting for the good of the land. Look at where he is right now. Yeah, so, and exactly what we are talking about. Chief Sunday Igboho is supposed to be enjoying himself. This man is wealthy, he's very rich, and yet he is not in the country, simply because they are trying to bring him down for telling the truth, for trying to save his people. And right now, we are seeing the result. We are seeing the result. If you are still out there, you are still talking against Chief Sunday Igboho, you should better and apologize and pray to God for forgiveness, because right now the suffering is too much. Somebody was calling me some days back. He was telling me that, oh, Pilado, what do you know that since 2 days I have not eaten? Not that I don't want to eat, not that I don't have money, but the problem is I cannot withdraw my money. And then she was like, right now she had never experienced, a female at that, she had never experienced suffering like this. I have my money, I cannot collect. What is going on? And then you've heard a lady talking about the fact that for you to say you want to get out your 10,000 naira, you will pay 4,000 naira to withdraw 10,000 naira. So what exactly is going on? Out of 10,000 naira, when 4,000 naira is out of it, what is 6,000 naira? What can 6,000 naira do for you? And that's exactly where the problem is. Yoruba Nation, no going back. Exactly what it is. If you are still out there, you are still shouting one Nigeria, one Nigeria. My brother, my sister, I will still tell you repeatedly that you are sitting on a long thing. All right, and then meanwhile, majority of people onto this one have actually reacted in different forms. Baba God, now your hand with day, and exactly what it is. We all need to do the needful. We all need to help ourselves so that we can get to the next level. Because right now, my brother, my sister, nothing exactly is actually working. According to what I've been gathered, majority of people do have actually reacted. I think I'll be taking some of their comments. Yeah, so I hope National Assembly could hear this. Buhari and then all the head of government can hear this, that the people are suffering. And Nigeria now, that's exactly what had been said by Art Olajide Vincent 6891. All right, and then meanwhile, according to, okay, this one is coming from Oluwasegun Nijibadejo. Okay, well, he said, well, curse be unto or woe unto those who suffer, the poor, the weak, the widow, orphans, women, and then children. Yes, so this is exactly a very big suffering. Yes, you have your money, you cannot withdraw. That is to tell you that they are trying to send you out of that country to go and live somewhere else so that they can take over. Yes, so right, brother, my sister, a lot of people are actually running out of the country right now. That okay, fine, if they could not spend, or they cannot spend their own money in their own country, then they have to leave the country for them and go to another country. Now automatically, they are trying to tell you that they own the country. You will not tell me that a northerner will not have access to this same money we are talking about. But in the southwest, in the southeast, south, and the rest of the southern part of the country, you will understand that this is getting too much in this part. They are trying to frustrate the people. Right now, they are saying it that the international community is watching them, because a lot of people have made it clear that they are trying, that the government is trying to take over the country by killing people with their terrorists and all that in the forest, in the bushes. We are seeing things happening. But this time around, I think is another strategy they want to use, that oh, by the time we make them suffer, by the time we put hunger, they will run out of the country for us, and then we will take over. But the good Lord is bigger than them. All right, I think I'm going to take this. Well, all this one is coming from Wale Ikujine. Says, well, all these people that are ranting are the one following the politicians. Okay, until they realize that Yoruba nation is the solution, Nigeria will continue to happen to them. Yoruba nation no going back. All right, so I think Wale Ikujune had actually said it all. Yeah, so if you are still out there, you are shouting one Nigeria. One Nigeria will continue to happen to you, and exactly what is going on right now. But the truth of the matter is, I think everybody is now is woken up right now. Everybody has woken up, and the people right now, they now know that, oh, so this is exactly what had been going wrong. Now the people have now realized that, oh, we should have supported the Yoruba nation before now. No. Now they've made up their minds that as far as this 2023 is concerned, though, we know they vote anything, no election. Yoruba nation no going back. Well, this time around, I'll say a very big congratulations to all the Yoruba nation agitators. They said it, they have seen it coming, and exactly what is going on. It is happening right now. The people are not happy. The people are suffering. A lot of, you can imagine what one of the ladies said. She said something. Oh my God! When I heard that, I was so close to tears. She said she is a widow. She's been managing herself to fend for the children. Okay, look at it. That some days ago she made eba gari. She made eba, no soup. They were using water to eat the eba. What kind of life is that? That is exactly what they are praying for. That's exactly the plans they have for the people. But the people, just like right now, I think they need to wake up and then do the needful. The people need to wake up and do the right thing. Yes, the people are of the opinion that they are not going to vote this 2023. Nothing they happen. No, forget vote. Oh, we are not coming out. We'll be in our houses and be watching them. Well, exactly what it is. Well, Yoruba nation, my people, no going back. Exactly what it is onto this one majority of things, though, had actually been said. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take, my people, on this, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are new on this channel. All right, thanks and God bless.